everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for Teresa's Blooming Seasons sticker book volume 2. It's so pretty. Just the cover is just really pretty. Look at what's a sneak peek of the inside. And Teresa has a note in the back, so you can pause it and read this note. It's designed by her Creatively Faithful label, and let's take a look at the stickers. And so I love these pink and yellow. The birdhouses are so pretty. And I just love how this book has a lot of girls in it. I love the boots, so cute. And the butterflies, you get so many butterflies. I am going to be planning with these stickers, so I'm going to have so much fun, and I hope you grab this sticker book because I'm sure it will sell out. And grab the first one if it is still there and you don't have it. So I will put the links down below for you to grab those items. And look how cute those carrots are, the birds. And this is intended also for Dutch doors. So if you do Dutch doors journaling, you get 2. And I was paying attention to what that looks like. So if you're not sure, Teresa has a video on her channel, and now I want to attempt to make a journal with Dutch doors. And if you don't have a planner or a journal, you can make one. And nowadays you can even download and print planner pages. So many options out there now. And you can use these stickers for cards, tags, just whatever you desire. And I love all the sentiments, and I especially love these black and white ones. They're so pretty. And I think I'm going to put some on some cardstock and cut those and have them ready for whichever, my planner or for cards. So I haven't really looked through this new planner, and so I need to find where the boxes are. I ordered it, had my husband pick it up, and so it's my first time looking at this planner as well. And it starts with May, which is kind of cool. And so I'm going to use this yellow and green spread for my 2-page planner layout. And I thought it was really pretty to do June, as we will be on summer break. And I love that couch because I plan to do some couch sitting during my summer break. And I love this bike, and I wish I could go on bike rides. I don't, well, I think I have a bike in the garage, but yeah, it probably needs tires or something. And but I want to go bike riding somewhere pretty where you see the water. That would be really nice. So we will see. And so I put this sticker down, but I didn't like how it was placed, but I like how you can just pick it up and move it. So it's not there permanently yet. So great. That's great for me. And so I am just going to put some stickers diagonally as well because I haven't written in this planner yet, and so I want to make sure I leave enough room for me to write. And I don't use pen usually, I use pencil because I erase a lot. And I don't like to cross out anything. So, I mean, I could have used whiteout, I guess, but I just use pencil. It's easier. So I am just going to have fun decorating. And so I love that this sticker book has so many different stickers in it. And I am going to also use them for pattern paper. I'm going to see what that looks like and just explore and have fun. And I'm going to try the Dutch doors, and so I will have another project for you to see. And then you can have, I'm sure there will be lots of inspiration because I'm not sure when I'm publishing this video, but I'm sure we'll have a hop and you can see what everyone else has done using this sticker book. And like I said, you can visit Teresa's video too and see how she used her sticker book. And so I'm going to, so I love that I used a lot of stickers already and there's still a lot of places for me to write. And so there we go, and another diagonal one. And then I am going to place 2 more stickers after this little picture. So I had to place my favorite girl, and she is in green. So let me grab her. And I love the girl in yellow too. She's really pretty. And I love that you get the backs of these girls too. So you can do all girls in one page. And I think it would be a fun card to make with these girls too. And I'm just thinking where to put her. And then I have one last sticker. I needed a sentiment, so that is what I'm going to place. And I think it says sunshine, something about something the best medicine. Oh, my glasses on, so hopefully you could read it. And there we go. So here is a close-up, and I hope you liked my video, and I will be back soon with another video.